Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Gigi, Sunga. Alright, so we're reviewing the book of Harv Eker. So, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. Second round na natin binabasa to. And I understand, parang, if I remember it right, nag-share na rin ako ng isang thought coming from this book. Okay, so, kaya na kasi I was, when I woke up like this. So, tinignan ko siya. Ano pa ba yung pwede natin kuhanin dito? Kasi napakaganda ng book ni Harv Eker. Alright? Isa pang natutunan ko dito sa lahat ng mga empleyado, okay? If you are employed, sabi ko nga, walang problema for being employed, okay? Just make sure na babayaran ka ng tama. So, ang tanong ko sa iyo ngayon, sa tinatanggap mong sweldo, like ngayon, payday, di ba? Payday ngayon. Tanungin mo yung sarili mo sa hawak mong envelope. Yan ba ay sapat sa pinagtrabahuan mo? If you think na sa tama lang yan, sa effort na binibigay mo, sa results na binibigay mo, well, it's fine. Siguro, yan lang talaga yung ano mo binabayad sa'yo. Sabi ko nga, di ba? Sabi ni Jim Rohn, the world will give you what you deserve. Baka yan ang deserve mo, right? Second, if tingin mo naman na, Doc, parang hindi well compensated ang tinarbraho. So, ito lang natanggap ko. Samantalang, I work 8 hours nga, pero grabe naman. Ako yung nasa center ng operations. Ako yung nagsusupervise and everything. So, if you think na kulang ang isinusweldo sa'yo, there are 2 things na pwede mong gawin, okay? So, sa lahat ng mga delivers natin, empleyado, OFW, dito sa Pilipinas, so, taas ang kamay ng tingin mo, yung sinusweldo mo ay hindi sapat sa ginagawa mo sa company. Taas ang kamay. Alright, so, kung marami sa inyo nagsasabi na, Doc, hindi siya sapat, 2 bagay ang pwede mong gawin. Number 1, suggestion of, dito sa book, okay? So, sabi kasi dito, wealth file number 11. Ito kasi, maraming wealth file. Ibig sabihin, maraming mga principles about wealth. Alright, sabi niya dito, rich people choose to get paid based on results. Poor people choose to get paid based on time. Di ba may mga per hour rate? Di ba? At may iba naman based on results. Like, ako natuwa ako dun sa kausap ko, one of the members of my team ng aking bagong e-commerce business. It will be launched this April 27. So, I'm so excited. So, lahat ng mga gustong magpa-advertise sa kanilang business, meron ako sariling website para siyang mini Lazada, di ba? So, mag-message lang kayo sa akin for only 1,500 a month. So, guaranteed naman na mag-increase ang increase ang sales, but at least the leads. So, it's up to you to follow up yun, di ba? At least meron kang mga, di ba kasi, kahit leads, wala. Kahit na inquiries, wala, di ba? So, you just have to convert that inquiries to sales, di ba? So, 1,500 a month, okay? So, 3 months ang contract, so 4,500 lang po yun. Zero commission po tayo dyan. So, wala tayong commission. Basta maglagay lang po kayo ng product sa akin, monthly lang, okay? And first 10 lang po muna i-accommodate natin because trial pa lang ang ating website. Alright? So, nakalink po siya sa YouTube channel. So, may manonood po dyan ng more than 80,000 ng subscriber ko. And everyday, almost 40,000 ang nanonood na YouTube channel. Okay? And I'm looking for sponsors. First 10 lang din po. Mag-message na kayo. May mga business. So, ilagay ko sa poster ko. Babanggitin ko kayo every now and then sa aking mga vlogs. Thank you very much. Alright, so, ayan. So, yung kausap ko, ba't ko ba nabanggit yun? Yung kausap ko, sabi niya, tinanong ko siya how much, kung magkano babayaran ko sa kanya para makapag-down na ako sa pagbubuo niya ng aking e-commerce business. Sabi niya, Doc, nagpapabayad ako pag may results na. Results-oriented. At alam ko, mas mahal yun kaysa per hour. Diba? Results. So, rich people's mindset is to get paid from the results. So, if you are not being paid based sa results mo, 2 pwede mong gawin. Una, alright? Number 1, dito sa atin. Sabi niya dito, if you're currently, Millionaire Action Plan, okay? If you're currently in a job getting paid based on an hourly wage or salary, create and propose a compensation plan to your employer that will allow you to get paid at least partly based on your individual results, as well as the results of the company. So, pwede kang mag-propose. For example, per hour ang ang binabayad sa'yo, pwede kang mag-propose, sabihin mo, pwede po akong gumawa nitong marketing plan, kung mag-increase po ang ating sales, so just give me commission. Diba? Or if you are sa school naman, like me, may school, so may target, mag-set ng target, then pag na-attain ang target for every excess, so ng enrollees, so may pag-usap ka sa boss mo. Diba? So something like that. It's just like you are being paid by the results. Okay? So kung mga production naman yung nasa iyo, kung mag-exceed ka doon sa target na bilang, pag nag-exceed, so pwede mo makapag-usap. You know, it's just a matter of negotiation. Hindi yung basta ka na lang alis sa company, sabihin mo na lang, alis na po ako kasi hindi po ako properly paid. Makipag-negotiate ka muna. That's the more matured way. Makipag-negotiate ka muna, sabihin mo na, ito po yung kaya kong gawin, this is my proposal, then mag-usap kayo. Diba? Huwag ka agad yung alis ka na lang kasi tingin ko hindi ako nababayaran ng tama eh. That's unfair to the company. Wala ka pa naman proposal eh, maalis ka na. If your proposal will be rejected, so that's the time for you to make decisions. Kaya minsan pag may kausap ako mga nagpapacoach sa akin, Dok, tingin ko hindi ako nababayaran ng tama, gano'n. Sabi ko, may pag-usap ka sa president, may pag-usap ka sa department head ng yung company o sa may-ari mismo. Sabi mo sa kanya, ito yung tingin mo, dapat sweldo mo, ito lang natatanggap mo. So, make negotiations. Negotiations and communications are important things na dapat natututunan ng isang empleyado. Matuto mong ipaglaban. Hindi pa ipaglaban as in, ano. Sabihin yung nararamdaman mo, what's your worth? Because you are insisting of your value. Tingin mo, mataas ang value mo, yung worth mo, and yet, di ka binabayaran ng tama. Di ba? So, makipag-usap ka based on results. You get paid based sa results. Okay? Based the results ng inyong company. Alright? So, that's the first one. Alright? Second, if you think like, Doc, ano talaga eh, hindi talaga ako nababayaran ng tama, parang hindi siya pwedeng pakiusapan ng ganyan yung boss ko. Kung hindi pwede, ito, try principle number 2 ni, yan, The Secret of the Millionaire Mind, di ba? Millionaire Mind. Ganito yung mga bilhin nyo pong libro pang millionaire. Pag namili ka ng mga ganitong libro, hindi yung pang alone, mga ganun. May mga books na pang pang pabebe talaga. Parang you're nourishing the negative side of you. Basic ka ng mga ganyan, no? Ganyan yung mabibili mo. How much is this? I paid 333 lang to. But, you know, ang dami ko natutunan dito. Okay, second is, if you're currently in a job and not being paid what you are worth based on the results that you are producing, consider starting your own business. You can begin part-time. You can easily join a network marketing company or become a coach, teacher, others, and what you know. Something like that. Okay. So, kung tingin mo, hindi ka talaga babayaran or you're not being paid based sa results na inilalagay mo sa company, so, ang pwede mong gawin is start your own business. Ganun lang siya. Begin with part-time. That's what I did. Pero ako naman tingin ko, I'm well paid sa aming school. Ay, ma'am. Let's go, ma'am. Our president, in fairness of them all, in fairness naman, I'm well paid as a full-time principal and full-time dean. Well paid naman ako. Actually, ang dami ko pang privilege. Like, no, kanina, nagpa-check up ako. Nag-treadmill stress test tayo sa Clark Medical City. You know, wala akong binayaran. Na-operahan ako dito sa abdo. Yan. Sa tinanggal ang abdo natin, you know. We have card. So, nag-provide ang president namin ng, meron kaming health card. So, I'm using that every time magpapacheck up ako. Every time na, yun nga, meron mga ganong tests. Free. So, it's a privilege. So, I'm well paid, well compensated in our company. Wala naman akong makomment doon, okay? But, I think I can do more. In terms of the side of the company, nabigay niya na yung tama. But, I think I have the capacity to earn more. That's why I started my own business. Okay, that's my case. Okay? Because, sabi nga dito ni Harv, walang ceiling ang inyong income. So, pwede yan to. Kasi pwede mong tanggapin monthly from your business, sideline, work. Walang ceiling yan eh. Doon ko napat na ito. Walang ceiling. Kala ko, yun na ako eh. Yung tinatanggap ko monthly, pwede pa pala siya mag-6 figure, may 100 to 100,000. So, wala siyang ceiling, alright? So, what I'm trying to say is start your own business. So, for example naman sa case mo, hindi talaga may bigay ng company, baka talaga hindi niya kayang bigay yung worth na binibigay mo. Baka siguro nag-start pa lang company, wala talaga siyang, or wala talaga resources. May mga ganun na company eh. Hindi talaga kaya magbigay. Pag nagbigay siya ng sweldo ng mas malaki, babagsak naman siya. Okay? So, kung ganun na gawin mo, start your own small business using that skill na meron ka. Using that capacity na meron ka na ginagawa sa company. Okay? Ilalabas mo lang siya. You'll be doing the same effort sa company mo para matulungan mo rin. And at the same time, start building your own company. Start building your small business on the side. Alright? So, in that way, you are earning based on the results. Okay? So, for example, like in my case, ulitin ko ulit, in my case, so I have my GDS corporate training. I'm okay with that. So, it's running. Then, meron tayong coaching. Then, ngayon, I will be launching my e-commerce business. Okay? So, tingin ko kasi yun, sabi ko, marami akong pwede pang gawin. So, I'm starting it. So, nandun siya on the side. But I'm not resigning yet. Okay? I'm not resigning yet. Hanggat kaya ng mga team ko yung paggawa. Kasi hindi naman ako yung gumagawa eh. Nag-iisip lang naman ako ng ideas. May tagagawa naman ako. Go lang na tayo ng go. Okay, say ko, go lang ng go. So, ganun pwede mong gawin. Like, for example, ikaw talaga yung nagdi-design ng website nyo, gumagawa ka. And on the side, mag-start ka ng, lagay mo sa FB mo, website designer ka, and then get paid by other companies. Diba? By other starting company. By the way, if you want to start your own website, promotional video, social media, so I have my team who can help you. Diba? So, yeah, meron akong team. Alam niyo yung mga team ko, mga full-time employees yan eh. Na nagsa-side, meron silang side job lang nila yung ginagawa nila sa akin. So, like that. So, create your own business on the side using your capacity, your skills na ginagawa mo rin sa company mo. In that way, so mako-compensate na yung you will be being paid based on the results. Alright? So, there's no problem. Again, mga delivers natin, empleyado. So, there's no problem kung nandiyan ka full-time worker ka. Okay? Full-time employee ka. So, kung di ka, ulitin natin, kung di ka nababayaran, tama, makipag-usap ka, negotiate, bayaran ka based on the results. And second, if not possible, start your own business on the side. Ang daming tao na meron side business. Hindi lang ako ang may side business. Diba? Sabi ko nga ito, nakasulat, next topic ko, your work is not enough to live a happy life. Why? That will be my second vlog. Okay? And if you want to be coached by me, Doc, paano ba yung procedure ang magagawin ko? Paano ko ba i-convert skill ko into business? So, I can help you. So, message mo lang ako, 0939-5254-311 or sa aking FB account or FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Okay? So, again, doon sa mga gusto mag-sponsor sa aking e-commerce business, message mo lang din po. Alright, so thank you very much, Gidivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. And let's go, let's go.